What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you what to do in case Microsoft Windows 10 or 11 removes, actually it's just Windows 11. In case if Windows 11 removes your Bluetooth option here, so you can see I'm on my Bluetooth and devices option here in my settings screen. Sometimes this will be gone and I actually won't be able to turn my Bluetooth back on, and then I can't connect my Xbox controller, for example. I use a Bluetooth Xbox controller, and sometimes this setting is just not even available for me to turn on or off Bluetooth. In the past, I've just restarted my computer and it's worked, but you know, this is a much better solution. You don't have to restart your computer. You can just use the Bluetooth troubleshooter that Windows still has, and it'll get this setting to show back up for you. So for me, it's showing up right now, but let's just use the Bluetooth troubleshooter and see how this works. So you're gonna wanna open the start menu. I did that a little quickly. So just click the start menu here and start typing Bluetooth troubleshoot. Bluetooth. Here it is. So you can see find and fix problems with Bluetooth devices. This is an option in control panel. So if we click this, you can see troubleshooters have moved and this tool will be retired. For now, this still works. So you can just click next and it'll detect your problems and it'll find something's wrong. Maybe you have a driver that's out of date or whatever, but it'll also turn Bluetooth on for you as well. But the option was showing for me after, you know, it was disappeared and I had used this troubleshooter. So that is the easiest way to fix it, guys. You know, quick video, but that is all you have to do. Just use the Bluetooth troubleshooter and the Bluetooth option will appear for you again in Windows. So how do you get to this setting? You just go to Bluetooth and devices. You know, this option is showing here. Sometimes it doesn't show there either. And then you go to devices and the option is showing up here. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, drop any questions you got in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.